The utility hook allows you to hang your nail gun from a joist or other framing while you work. The hook assembly consists of the hook itself, the mount to attach it to the gun, and a spring-loaded pivot so the hook can be stored out of the way. The most common problem with the utility hook is accidentally breaking it off. Replacing the utility hook assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old utility hook assembly. It's secured with a single screw. There's a nut on the back side of the screw. I'll place a wrench on the nut and use an Allen wrench to remove the screw. Now I can install the new utility hook. You'll notice that the two sides of the mount are a little different. The side that has the larger bracket goes against the gun. Take the sleeve that fell out of the old hook and insert it into the hole on the side with the bracket. Then install it into the gun, followed by the screw and washer. And then secure this assembly with the nut.